Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. Today, I'm going to show you the best ways to reclaim your storage for 2026. We will clean out hidden junk, automate your maintenance, and even remove those massive apps you forgot were there. Let's dive in. Let's start with the easiest method first, setting your PC to clean itself. Windows has a built-in tool called Storage Sense. This feature automatically monitors your drive and deletes files you no longer need, like items in your trash or temporary setup files. To turn it on, press the Windows key plus I key to open settings. On the left, click on System and then select Storage on the right. Look for Storage Sense under Storage Management. If it's off, click the toggle to turn it on. Now, click into it to configure the settings. Look for Configure Cleanup Schedules and expand or click into those options. You can choose how often it runs, like the default during low free disk space, or switch it to every day, every week, or every month if you want more frequent cleanups when space is tight. Then, for the recycle bin, under Delete Files in my recycle bin if they have been there for over, pick a time frame. Options include 1 day, 14 days, 30 days, default, or 60 days. I like to set mine to auto-empty every 14 days. This way, if I delete something by mistake, I still have 2 weeks to dig it out of the bin before it's gone forever. You can also configure the Downloads folder the same way if you want old, untouched files removed automatically. But many people leave it on Never default to be safe. Next, we are going to use a powerful classic tool called Disk Cleanup. This is great for finding specific system junk that regular folders hide. In your taskbar search, type Disk Cleanup and hit Enter. Select your C drive and click OK. You will see a list of files to delete. Here are the ones you should definitely check. Temporary internet files. These are just cached pieces of websites that can slow down your browser over time. Delivery optimization files. These are bits of updates your PC shares with other computers on your network. Once your update is done, you don't need them. Thumbnails. These are the small preview images of your photos. Windows will recreate them if you open the folder again, so it's safe to clear them. Now, click the button that says Clean Up System Files. Select the C drive again. This reveals even bigger targets. Look for Windows Update Cleanup. This often holds gigabytes of data from old updates that your PC is just hanging on to. Check that and temporary files, then hit OK and select Delete Files. Step 3. Uninstalling bloatware and heavy apps. Sometimes the biggest space hogs aren't junk files, but actual programs. Let's head to the Control Panel to see what we can remove. Search for Control Panel in the taskbar and open it. Under Programs, click on Uninstall a Program. For example, I have Balena Etcher here, which I don't use anymore, so I'll right-click and select Uninstall. Another one is Microsoft OneDrive. Since I use a different cloud service, OneDrive is just sitting here taking up 745 megabytes of space. Right-click and hit Uninstall. Step 4. The manual recycle bin flush. We can't forget the absolute basics. Even though we automated it earlier, a manual flush is good for an instant boost. Right-click your recycle bin icon on the desktop and select Empty Recycle Bin. Click Yes to confirm. You'd be surprised how many people have over 100 gigabytes of ghost files just sitting in their trash. If you are still short on space, there is one last hidden spot to check: the App Data folder. This is where programs store your personal settings and temporary cache. Open File Explorer and go to your C drive. Then, Users, and open your specific user folder. If you don't see a folder called App Data, go to the View tab at the top, hover over Show, and check Hidden Items. Now, go into App Data and then into Local. Be very careful here. Only delete folders for apps you have already uninstalled. For instance, if you see an old game folder for a game you deleted months ago, right-click and hit Delete. This is a great way to find those last few gigabytes of hidden clutter. That's it! Your PC is officially back in the fast lane. In just a few minutes, we've automated your cleanup with Storage Sense, scrubbed away system junk, uninstalled those heavy apps, and cleared out those hidden caches. It's the perfect fresh start for your tech in 2026. Got a favorite cleaning tip I missed? Let me know in the comments. Stay passionate, keep it fast, and I'll see you in the next one.